Hi and welcome to the BW Finance Leadership and Strategy Summit 2025. Today we're here with Nithya from IKS Health. So lovely to meet you. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Pleasure is
Today.
all mine.
Wonderful. So I'd like to ask you, as in terms of like being a CFO right now, what do you think India's main goals are as we move towards that USD 10 trillion economy vision?
I think it's obviously a big, bold, and beautiful vision. And it's extremely exciting that we are all part of that history in the making. And I think for a CFO specifically, I would say that this means that we actually need to now go aggressively after growth opportunities while balancing the risk that some of these new growth opportunities bring. I think India as a nation is genuinely stepping up in terms of the innovation curve, which means you're now talking about innovation which is longer gestation period, innovation which is a lot more riskier, and therefore being able to balance that risk while chasing that growth, I think is something that the CFO really needs to worry about.
That makes a lot of sense. Incredible. So the second question I'd like to ask you, as a CFO, what do you think being a national growth leader means to you in the current like market state?
I think we spoke about how the nature of innovation and the nature of investments that we're now looking at is changing. And in that context, I think the CFO role is also changing from possibly being what used to be just a controller or a financial gatekeeper to a lot more a strategic business partner. Right? A CFO now is in that growth story. You're actually now co-charting the course of the growth along with the CEO of your firm. And I think we're now seeing through forums like this, we're actually now seeing CFOs even stepping up beyond just the mandate of the organization and what they're doing to now start to think about and shape the conversations on topics even beyond their specific mandate and specific roles. I think that's what it means to me to be part of that national growth enabler.
Incredible. So I'd also like to congratulate you for winning this evening. So congratulations, well deserved.
Thanks.
So I'd love to ask you, what do you think this award means to you personally and professionally?
Oh, I think I'm exhilarated. So thank you so very much. I think it's been an incredible year for me personally at IKS Health. One of the first things I did after joining the firm was actually take the company public. So it was
Amazing.
more like thrown into the deep end of the pool. Hey, figure out how to resurface, right? So I think I got there.
Of course.
So I think I do count that as a meaningful milestone. And on top of that, we were also integrating two very similar sized organizations that came together through an acquisition. So I think there are a lot of milestones therefore for me personally in the last 1 year, and it's fabulous therefore to be recognized on a platform like yours for the effort and the hard work that's gone in last year. So thank you so very
I
much.
think it's incredible. It's a very well-deserved recognition of the goals you've achieved so far. And I'd love to ask you what you think your goals are for the upcoming year.
See, I think for me personally, it's always about driving impact. And the larger the canvas, the happier I am at the end of the day. So I'm actually looking forward to driving more in terms of impact. And I'm very, very fortunate that I actually work in a sector where you're actually having a difference in patients' lives. So one of the primary mission of IKS is actually we have this care enablement platform through which we're able to improve patient outcomes. So to be able to do that on a larger and larger scale, that's what I'm looking forward to. Thank you.
That's incredible. What an insightful and concise answer. And I have no doubt we'll see you here next year
Thank
getting
you
the
so
same
much.
sort of recognition.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much
having
for meeting us today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.